How to hide WhatsApp group. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can hide WhatsApp group. So before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. The first thing that you'll need to do is update the WhatsApp app to the latest version. For that, open up your Google Play Store and simply search for WhatsApp. And after you search for WhatsApp, open up WhatsApp. And if you see an update button instead of open, tap on update. After you've updated the WhatsApp, you can then open it up. After you open up your WhatsApp, what you'll need to do to hide a group is, as you can see, this is a group right here. If I want to hide it, all I have to do is head over to the chat section at the bottom left here. Select the group by long pressing on it. Then there you can see the archive button on the top right. Tap on the archive option. Doing that will simply hide your group. That's one way of doing this. The other way of doing this is long pressing on a group. So let me just long press on the group. Tap on the three dots on the top right. Then simply tap on lock chat. You can tap on continue. You can see you can keep this chat locked and hidden. Tap on continue. Go through your fingerprint or your password, and then the chat will be locked and hidden as well. And that's how you do it. That's how you hide a group in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.